Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. So one simple and string based concept we are going to talk about today, that is like, what is a string joiner? So this string joiner is actually introduced in JDK 1.8. After JDK 1.8 it's added, which is a class, and it is for joining the separate string into one. For example, let's say I have list of different employee names, or different list of colors, different list of student names. I want to combine them in a single string separated by, let's say, some delimited string like comma or something, that I can do that. For example, let's see, I want to add Tom. I have three strings like that: Tom, then put a comma, and then Lisa, then put a comma, and then Naveen. So these three separate strings, I want to combine them with comma. How to do that? It's very simple. So let's create the object of a string joiner is equal to, let's see, string joiner. And if you see this, the third option, the third constructor of the string joiner is saying, what is your delimit? Let's see, I'm putting a comma, and what is the prefix that you want to put? For example, let's say I want the output like that. I just want to put square bracket, and at the end also put a square bracket. So I simply say that my prefix will be a square bracket and the suffix will be a closing square bracket, like that. Fine. And then you keep adding joiner.add method and keep adding your elements. For example, let's say I'm adding Tom, okay, dot add, and then I'm adding, let's see, Lisa, then again dot add, and let's say I'm adding Naveen over here. So three strings I have added in this particular string joiner, and then I really want to print, then I want to print it. So I simply write joiner dot toString method. That's it. And let's see what is output. Run as Java application. So you can see that we are passing Tom, Lisa, Naveen, and we are getting comma separated string, and the prefix and suffix, you can see opening square bracket and closing square bracket. You can change it also. For example, let's see, with curly bracket I want to start and ending with the closing square bracket. You can see curly bracket ending with the, like that. You put any other delimited string you want to provide. Let's see, put a semicolon. You'll get a semicolon over here, and let's say I'll just put closing curly bracket. So you can do it like this. So you can create a generic function where you can pass that what is your delimited string, what is your prefix and suffix string that you want to pass, and on the basis of that it will keep adding it over here, and the return joiner.toString. A very simple concept, a very nice concept. It will be helpful maybe in your program if you're writing any, if you need a combined string to pass, let's see, for a JSON payload or something like that, you can create a string like that. So that's all for this particular video, guys. I hope you're liking the content. A lot of new things are coming on this channel. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know if you have any issues. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless you all.